What if I told you there's a way to write essays 10 times faster, solve math problems in seconds, and never miss a lecture note again? Yep, AI is changing the game for students. And in this video, I'm revealing the top 5 AI tools you need in 2025, whether you're broke or ballin'. Stick around because tool number 3 will blow your mind. And yes, some of these are free. Hey, future valedictorians! Welcome back to the channel. I'm your name. And for the past decade, I've been testing tech to make student life easier. And let me tell you, AI in 2025, next level. These tools aren't just cool, they'll save you hours of stress, help you crush assignments, and maybe even impress your professors. But not all AI tools are worth your time. Some are overhyped, others are crazy expensive. So today I'm breaking down the 5 best AI tools for students, ranking them based on power, ease of use, and cost. Oh, and I'll show you exactly how to use them for max results. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5 is Wolfram Alpha, the secret weapon for STEM students. This isn't just a calculator, it's like having a Nobel Prize-winning tutor on demand. Prazo solves complex equations step by step. No more how did they get this answer. Covers physics, chemistry, engineering, even economics. Free version handles basics, but the pro version, paid version is pricey, $7.25 per month. Not great for essays or creative work? Stuck on calculus homework? Type in the problem and boom, Wolfram shows the solution and the steps. No more textbook frustration. Number 4 is Otter.ai, the ultimate note-taking sidekick. Imagine recording your professor's 2-hour lecture and getting a searchable transcript 5 minutes later. Game, changer, prose, records and transcribes in real time, even identifies speakers. Free plan gives you 30 minutes per session, perfect for short classes. Integrates with Zoom for online lectures. Cons, free version has limited storage. Accuracy drops with heavy accents or background noise. Play back your biology lecture, search for mitochondria, and instantly find the exact moment your professor explained it. No more rewinding. Tool number 3 is Notion AI, your all-in-one workspace. Think of it as a supercharged planner, note-taker, and study buddy rolled into one. AI summarizes long readings, generates to-do lists, and even writes drafts. Free for students, just verify with your DIDU email. Works on all devices, making it perfect for group projects. Cons, steep learning curve, but worth it. AI features need the paid plan, which is $8 a month. Drowning in research papers? Notion AI can summarize a 20-page PDF into bullet points in seconds. Lifesaver for finals week. Taking the number 2 spot, Grammarly. Even if you think you're a good writer, this tool will humble you in the best way. Pros, catches grammar, tone, and even plagiarism. Bye-bye accidental copying. Free version fixes basic errors. Works everywhere. Google Docs, emails, even social media. Cons. Premium is pricey at $12 a month. Sometimes overcorrects creative writing. Submit a polished essay without spending hours editing. Grammarly's goals feature tailored suggestions for academic writing. And the number 1 AI tool for students in 2025 is ChatGPT. Whether you're coding, writing, or just thinking, this AI does it all. Praza free version GPT-3.5, is shockingly powerful. GPT-4 Turbo at $20 a month writes essays, debugs code, and explains concepts in plain English. Plugins let you analyze PDFs, scrape data, and more. Cons, it can hallucinate facts, so always double-check sources. Overuse can make your writing sound robotic. Ask ChatGPT to explain quantum physics like I'm 5, or give me 10 thesis statement ideas for a history paper. Instant brainstorming. Alright, future straight A students, here's your homework. 1. Pick one tool from this list and try it today. I'll leave affiliate links below for discounts. 2. Comment which AI you're most excited about, or suggest one I missed. 3. Smash that like button if this saved you future stress. It helps tons. Oh, and subscribe because next week I'm revealing how I used AI to graduate debt-free. See you there.